Hello, in front of me I have Infinix Hot 9 and I'm gonna show you how to hard reset this device by using the system settings. First, let's open the settings. To do it, tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and select the system. Here tap on reset options and then tap on erase all data. Tap on erase all data again. And finally tap on erase all data again to confirm and start the resetting process. And at this point the hard reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.